how to fix Instagram account activity error. So if you want to solve your community standards issue, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to search for Instagram, and if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then find Instagram, tap and hold on to it, go with the app info. From here, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then tap on force stop. After force stopping your application, you need to go and restart it. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Instagram, go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here, you need to scroll down, and then you will find an option of help. Tap on help under your more info and support. Then tap on report a problem, and then tap on report problem without shaking. Here you need to tap on don't include and briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you just need to simply enter that my Instagram account activity is having some errors, or my account is having community standards issues, so please help me with that problem, and send. And that's it. The problem might be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.